right, guys, let's play it. Violins up and bow on the A string.
It's a little hard for me to memorize everything.
No problem. We're getting better, though, every time we practice, okay? So don't worry about it.
Who can play the last two lines of the piece? Kieran. Excellent job, Kieran.
Strings for 500. What is the name of this instrument?
Harp, obviously.
It is a harp, yeah.
Online classes offer many advantages for kids. There is more flexibility in class times, with more classes offered each week. If a student is particularly shy, they can feel more at ease when performing in an online environment. There are fewer classroom distractions, and kids can enjoy a more comfortable and more familiar learning environment. Moms and dads can be more involved in the lessons, offering constructive help and support to their young musician. Finally, there is more personalized attention since students can submit videos and get extra help in individualized office hours. So, just choose a day that works for you. And Children's Music Workshop will try to accommodate your requested lesson day and time. Register now at www.jointheorchestra.com.